Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add background music on your Instagram reel. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead and add your reel. Click the plus sign at the bottom and then choose a video you want to edit. I'm just going to continue with my draft. Now after you will have your reel added, here at the top you will have an option to choose music. So go ahead and choose a music you like from all of these options. And after that, you're going to choose the section where you want the music to play. And after that, click done. Now you want to go ahead and edit this video. So click edit video. Now you will have your music here. And once you scroll down, you will see volume. So here on volume, as you can see, my camera audio is on 0 and the music is on 100. So what you want to do is go ahead and make camera audio on 100 and the music something like 15, or just basically go ahead and listen to it and make sure you choose the best option for you. Click done. After that, go ahead and continue. And then once you will click continue, then you can go ahead and share your reels to your Instagram. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.